In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an extraction prompt in Relevance AI. We'll start by opening Relevance AI in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the interface. This side panel is where you'll find the key builders and tools you'll use throughout the platform. From that left panel, navigate to Tool Builder. Inside Tool Builder, select Tools. This brings you to the workspace where you can create and manage what your prompts do. In the top right corner, click New Tool to begin setting up a fresh extraction prompt. Now it's time to write the prompt itself. An extraction prompt is a clear instruction that tells the model exactly what to pull from your text. For example, you might write, extract the company name, total amount, and date from the text below. Keep your wording specific and consistent. Use unambiguous field names like company.name, total amount, and date. And make sure each one reflects exactly what you expect to see in the output. If you're working with invoices, receipts, or form-like documents, briefly describe the format, or give a short sample so the model understands the context. When your instruction looks good, click Start. The tool will run and generate results almost immediately. You'll see the extracted fields appear based on the content you provided. Take a moment to review the output and check if the fields match your expectations and whether the formatting is consistent across results. If you notice missing or inconsistent values, add a safety instruction to your prompt. For example, include a line like, if the data is not found, return NA. This helps standardize results when a field isn't present in the source text. After adding that clarification, click Send to run it again and verify that absent values are now handled cleanly. Once you're getting reasonable results, it's time to test and refine. Try a few different samples that vary in structure, formatting, or wording, such as different date formats or totals with currency symbols. If the model misreads a field, tighten your language. You can specify patterns like use the last occurrence of a total, or prefer the date labeled invoice date. Keep your field names consistent and avoid synonyms that might confuse the output. The goal is to produce stable, predictable results across a range of realistic inputs. And that's it. You've created an extraction prompt in Relevance AI, run it, added a fallback for missing fields, and refined it to handle real-world variation.